Hi there, students. A trope. Okay, a trope is a noun. Let's see. A trope is a recurring idea. It's a recurring thing. It's something that that makes us think of a particular thing. So, for example, an artist may always use a particular theme or a particular design or something that is typical of them. And that is a trope. Maybe in internet somebody draws a little cartoon of something, and this becomes a trope. It becomes something very representative of a particular group, of a particular theme, of a particular idea. Let's see, for example, the words once upon a time are a trope which makes us think about fairy stories or storytelling. Yeah, this is associated with storytelling. Or maybe the Eiffel Tower is a trope of Paris. Yeah, you see the Eiffel Tower, just a picture of the Eiffel Tower, and it makes you think of France. I don't know. Let's see, the businessman with his bowler hat and his umbrella sitting on the train reading the Times. This is a trope. It's like a stereotype. It's an image or a thing or a set of words that are typically associated with something. Okay, so a trope, particularly in art and literature, an idea, a phrase, an image, a piece of music, just a few notes that are typical of a particular artist, typical of a particular field, typical of a particular thing. So I guess aliens that have two eyes and a mouth and two arms and two legs are a trope of science fiction. I'm sure if aliens exist, we will have problems even recognizing that they are beings or creatures. Yeah, they will just be so different. But a trope, this is something that we associate with something else. A trope literally is a figure of speech, a metaphor. Yeah. And let's see, metaphors are tropes. They are something that characterize something else. And they make us think of another thing. Okay, so in the world is full of tropes. I would guess that the designs, the apple with a this is a trope. You think directly about Apple, yeah. So maybe it's the trope of the company. Okay, so a trope is a typical something typical that represents something else. Yeah, our world is full of different types of trope. I would guess that "Hi there, students" is one of my tropes, or "Bye for now." Yeah, or what about the formality of this, or even when I rub my hands before or when starting a video. This is definitely, it's one of my mannerisms. It's something that you see and you think he's getting into the video. Yeah, this is going to be fun. And this is the idea of a trope. So what about formality? I think I'm probably going to give this word a 5.5 to 6 in formality. I think you can use it anywhere, but I think be careful, because I think a lot of people have difficulty with this word. They don't really understand what it means. Yeah. So, but there are tropes all around all around us. The mad scientist is a trope in horror movies, or the haunted house, or the creaking door. Yeah, okay. This is something that recurs in a particular genre or a particular type of thing, in a particular thing. So I guess love is a trope in romantic poetry. Yeah. There are tropes everywhere. It's something that makes us think about something else. It's something that's iconic and representative of it. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Trope.